Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen where we make mouth and water delicacy. Today I will be showing you how to make the ultimate chicken and shrimp fried rice, better than takeout and ready in just 15 minutes. If today is the first time I'm coming across this video, you're welcome. Thank you for my OG. And for the new subscribers, you are welcome. I promise you're going to love it here. With no further ado, let's cook. In a clay pan, I added some sesame oil into it. I allow it to hot for some minutes. Then I fried my shrimps. Now I'll be adding the liver which I cooked. I already fried my hot dog. Now all what I'm going to be doing now is to just toast this around, fry for some minutes, and then I will take it out of the gas cooker. If you are watching to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So, guys, after removing that, the next thing I'll be doing is to add more oil into this. You can use any oil of your choice. Now, I'll go ahead to add onions and then I'll fry this again for just few minutes to awaken the flavor and the aroma. Then I'll show you the next thing to do. Now I'll be adding the carrot because it's a little bit hard. I will add this first. Some people add other vegetables first, but for me, I will go ahead with the carrot. Then I will fry this for few minutes. After that, I will go ahead to add the next ingredient. The next ingredient is going to be our fresh green beans. I'm going to also toast this around, fry this for a few minutes, and then I'll be adding the next ingredient. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now I'll be adding the frozen green peas. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will go ahead to fry this by toasting this around. After frying and toasting it around for a few minutes, next I'll be adding my green bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. This is so optional. If you don't have this, you can skip this part. So now I'll be adding maggi and I will also go ahead to add some salt into this. So if you want a little bit pepper, you can just add to it to give you that spicy taste. And then I will stir everything together in order for the maggi and the salt to marinate into the veggies. And now I'll be adding the fried chicken. I fried this for some days, so I just kept it inside my fridge. Now I'm using it. Now I'll be adding the fried liver. I'll also go ahead to add the next ingredient, which is going to be our fried shrimps. Then I will also add our fried hot dog. Guys, if you don't have all these ingredients I just used, you can skip it. Now I'll be adding some sweet corn. Now I'll go ahead to give everything a thorough mix and stir everything together so that everything will combine very well. So after cooking for a few minutes, I just took out of the veggies so that I'll set that aside. Now I'll go ahead to stir. This is the rice I will be using. I already cooked the rice. You can also use a day old rice, meaning you've cooked it before, then you just kept it inside your fridge. You can also use that as well. But I just cooked mine freshly. So I will take out of the rice now and scoop it inside the pot of veggies. And then I will stir everything together. Normally what I do is that I'll take a fresh clean pan. I will add a little bit of oil into it and then I'll now scoop the cooked veggies. I will add it into the pan and then I'll now add my rice and then I'll fry everything together. But for today's recipe, I didn't do that. So I just put everything into one pot so that I will save time. So guys, which method do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to this moment. If you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. And if you come across any ad, please do not skip so that YouTube can be able to pay me with that. So this is what we have. Your delicious homemade chicken and shrimp fried rice is ready. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. and drop a comment if you are trying this out. So this is what I paired mine with, some fish and chicken. So what will you be pairing yours with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye and keep eating good food.